Hey everyone, welcome back. For our ingredients today, we're going with some classic, vibrant flavors. We have fresh kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, and galangal. Before we do anything else, let's give all these herbs a really good wash to get them nice and clean. Once they wash and dried, we're going to chop all these ingredients down into smaller pieces. You don't need to be too precise here. We just want to break them down a bit so they're easier to process in the next step. Now that everything is chopped, let's transfer all of those beautiful aromatic ingredients right into the blender. We're going to pulse and blend it all together. The trick here is not to blend it too small. We don't want a smooth paste. We want to keep some texture so you can really see and taste the herbs. Once it looks like this, let's set it aside. Moving on to our protein. Now let's slice up our pork into whatever thickness you prefer. Personally, I highly recommend using pork belly for this. That extra bit of fat is going to render down beautifully and carry all those herbal flavors. Time to season our pork. We're going to add in that fresh herbal mixture we just blended, followed by some soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, salt, chicken powder, and a good spoonful of oyster sauce. Let's get our hands in there and mix it all well together so every single piece of pork is fully coated. Now that it's perfectly mixed, we're going to cover this up and put it in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes to let those flavors really sink into the meat. While we wait for our pork, let's watch our green salad. This rich pork belly goes really well with a fresh side salad to balance things out. Look at that, so green, crisp, and fresh. After half an hour, our pork is well marinated and smelling incredible. Let's get some oil into a hot pan and then toss in the pork. Now listen to that sizzle. going to stir fry this continuously until the pork turns a gorgeous golden brown colors and get nice and crispy on the edges. Once it perfectly cooked, let drain off all the excess oil so it stays crispy and isn't too greasy. Our hubbable pork belly is officially done. Let's plate it up and pair it with some tangy kimchi. And of course, don't forget that fresh salad we prepared earlier. Wow, look at that! Yummy, yummy! Time to eat. See you guys in the next video.